Samahan niyo naman po ako sa aking paglalakbay. Ayan, travel na naman po kasama na panibagong pag-asa. Salamat sa inyo guys, sa inyong support. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe kay host, please do and like. Thank you so much.
Hindi ko na kailangan ng pag-ibig. Pagod na ako sa kakaisip. Bakit ba kailap ng tadhana? Bakit kay sakit ang umasa? Pag-ibig, bakit ba hindi ka parehas? Pag-ibig, bakit kay lumig mo sa akin? Ano bang nagawa? Ako ba ay bakit ba bigla kang nagbago? Bakit ba bigla kang naglaho? Kahit na ayaw ko nang isipin, pero kailangan tanggapin. Pag-ibig, bakit ba hindi ka parehas? Pag-ibig, bakit kay lupit mo sa akin? Ano bang nagawa? Ako ba ay isinumpa? Bakit pa ganito ang pag-ibig? Bakit ba hindi pantay-pantay ang pagpili? Tao rin naman ako na may pusong nasasaktan. Pag-ibig, bakit ba hindi ka parehas? Pag-ibig, bakit kay lumig mo sa akin? Ano bang nagawa? Ako ba ay isinumpa? Ano bang nagawa? Ako ba ay isinumpa?
I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be
feel like the world's gone mad, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they've made me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why or where, no looking back. Count on you anytime to ease my worried mind. To spend the rest of my days anywhere would do, long as it's close to you.
And guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless. God bless.